Indigenous Management, knowledges and frameworks, brings together contributions from scholars and practitioners from across 6 continents. 80 unique pieces from different locations by over 100 indigenous writers and non-indigenous allies are woven together around 4 threads that run through indigenous management and organizational research. 1. Protocols related to indigenous ways. 2. Connections to place. 3. Power sharing that acknowledges politics and voice. And 4. Social and collective community and accountability. These are brought together into a broad canvas that can help us see different ways of doing business. Relational ways that bring people and planet together, founded on protocols, connections to place, power sharing, and community accountability. There are so many knowledges and frameworks to explore and learn from in the book. Search it out and take a look.